Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ms.Silver here, and I'm super excited to be back with something a little bit different, soft and bold, no cut creases for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. For this look, I am going to be using my holographic palette from Ms.Silver Cosmetics. It's a 15 shade palette. All the shades on here are matte and are super pigmented. So if you're interested in this palette, go ahead and check the description box so you can see where to get it. So I am going to be starting with the first transition color, and for that I am going to be using this super cute yellow eyeshadow that is really pigmented. And for the eyeshadow brush, I am going to be using my mini blending brush, also from Ms.Silver Cosmetics, and you can find them on my website for only $5. And for the final color, I am going to be using this Tangy orange. I'm going to be combining these two oranges. They're super cute, super fiery. So I'm going to start to go around the crease, blend it, and finish it off by filling in the entire eyelid. So I'm going to be taking a taper brush and I'm going to damp it with setting spray and take my highlight from Jcats, and you go girl. And I am going to be adding a little bit of this highlight on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of yellow eyeshadow. And next, I am going to take my black eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar, and I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my winged eyeliner. Of course, if you're having trouble, it's always good to use the tape and start on the outer corner, glide right in, start outlining the thickness of the winged of your eyeliner and filling it in. So using the tape is always the way to go for a perfect, bold, winged eyeliner. Now that my eyeliner is ready, I'm going to go in with my falsies from Ms.Silver Lashes in the style Ms.Silver. Now that my eyelashes are in, I'm going to go ahead and remove that tape and have that nice, perfect, bold winged eyeliner. To finish this look, I am going to be taking my orange eyeshadows, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying this on the bottom eyelid, or the bottom part of my eye outside the waterline, and I'm going to fill in my waterline with a little bit of that yellow eyeshadow. To finish off this look, I am going to be taking my favorite mascara from Lash, well, from Maybelline in the name Great Lash. I just love the pointy wand. It just gets all the hairs. So if you guys are looking for any mascara, this is the one to have. Well, that's that for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post a video. And if you recreate, go ahead and tag me on Instagram so I could repost you on my stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video.